If this is your first Alaska cruise, packing can feel overwhelming, and many first time cruisers either overpack or bring the wrong things entirely. In this video, I'll show you how to dress like an Alaskan using a simple layering system so you're never too cold, too hot, or unprepared for rain. Alaskans dress casually. On land in Alaska, everything is casual. Locals dress comfortably for the elements, so you'll never have to worry about dressing up to eat at a restaurant in your Alaskan cruise port. What Alaskans wear daily? Alaskans use a three-part layering system: the inner layer, the mid layer, and the outer layer. While thermals are optional for an Alaskan cruise, you might enjoy having them as an option for the coldest months of the cruise season, which are April, May, and September, and for the coldest excursions of any cruise month, such as early morning glacier viewing from the ship or an on site glacier excursion. For the mid layer, you'll see Alaskans wearing jeans, a short or long sleeve shirt, and waterproof shoes. During the warmest summer months, such as July, it might be possible to wear shorts. Zip off convertible pants are also a good option for the warmest days. For all Alaska cruise months, it will be cool enough at times for a sweater. Another great option is a hoodie or a puffer vest. Many Alaskans like to wear a puffer vest, and I enjoyed wearing one as well on my cruise. For this mid layer, choose simple, comfortable layers you can adjust throughout the day. The outer layer includes your jacket and some accessories. In the warmer months of the cruise season, a light waterproof jacket can work well for your outer layer. For cooler and cold weather, a 3-in-1 jacket with a waterproof outer shell and an inner puffer layer is also a great choice. Both parts of the jacket keep you dry, and it offers maximum versatility with built in layering, so you can wear one or both. For your outer pants layer, which would go over jeans or your casual athletic pants, lightweight waterproof pants work great for the warmer months, and for the coldest months and moments of the Alaska cruise season, lightly lined waterproof ski pants can be a good option. Before we move on to hats and accessories, I created a 50-page Alaska Cruise Insider Guide to help make your trip planning easier. It includes my complete seasonal packing checklist, top excursion recommendations, port maps, money saving tips, food recommendations, and free things to do in each port, all based on my own Alaska cruise experience and research. If you're feeling overwhelmed trying to figure out what to pack, what excursions are actually worth it, or how to avoid expensive mistakes, this guide can save you dozens of hours in planning and potentially hundreds of dollars during your trip. I designed it to be the kind of guide I wish I had before my first Alaska cruise: simple, practical, and easy to use while planning. It's tagged to this video and linked below if you want to check it out. Hats. Local Alaskans recommend protecting yourself from strong UV rays in Alaska, even during cooler days, by wearing a hat and using sunscreen. I recommend this waterproof brimmed hat, which worked well for my Alaska cruise. For colder days, another option is to pack a waterproof baseball cap and pull your jacket over your head to keep your ears warm and the rain out of your face. I'll be taking both on my next Alaska cruise. Pack a beanie for colder cruise months and for cold excursions. Even in the summer, a beanie can come in handy for cold mornings. Accessories. For the coldest months, bring warm gloves. If you're visiting in the warmest months, including July, you may not need gloves, but you can also leave them behind or consider taking a lighter pair. Make sure to have warm gloves with you in April, May, early June, late August, and September. Footwear. For shoes, bring comfortable walking shoes for the ship, and make sure to bring comfortable waterproof shoes and wool socks for land. Make sure to bring a waterproof backpack for your time on land. You'll also use the backpack during embarkation day and possibly disembarkation day to store your items as your luggage is transported. As many backpacks are not truly waterproof or have front pockets that are not waterproof, using waterproof pouches can work great. I'll link everything I use in the description. All of these items are also listed in the packing list section of my Alaska Cruise Insider Guide. That's the system: layers, flexibility, and weather protection. Subscribe for more Alaska Cruise planning videos. Happy Alaskan travels!